Hello guys, good day everyone. How are you? Happy weekend. Happy weekend guys. Today is Saturday. Yes. Here are the flowers. Roses are red, my love. Ay nako, ikanta na lang. Yan. Beautiful flower, but the people not beautiful here. I mean, not beautiful. What this is called? Attitude. Not beautiful attitude. And here the one. Yan guys. Yan.